Good morning everybody, Andy from Cornish Motorcycle Diaries here. I'm at the BSA stand and behind me is the new Thunderbolt, which in the flesh looks better than its publicity pictures. It's got good proportions and looks well finished for a pre-production concept bike, remember, but they tell me it will be out mid next year, so no specific date yet, and obviously no precise details apart from what's been given already. But I think it's looking pretty positive. There's already quite a bit of interest. Let's look at the rest of the BSA stand. Here, and thank you for watching this video. If you've got this far, you'll be one of the ones who likes my video the most, so why not actually join the channel? Membership is now available, only 99 pence a month. That's a pittance, isn't it? And if you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe. Costs you nothing anyway. Please do like, and comments are most welcome. Not enough people are commenting. I'd like to know what you're thinking, what do you want, what do you like, what do you not like, what would you like to see more of, and what would you like to see less of.